You've probably heard people say that when your cat turns 9, it's time to start paying extra attention. But is that really true? Yes, because 9 is the age when cats officially enter their senior years. From here on, they're more likely to face health issues like kidney problems, arthritis, or thyroid disease. Even small changes like sleeping more or eating less can be early signs of aging. That's why vets recommend regular checkups and why cat parents become extra protective. Your kitty may look the same, but at 9, their golden years have begun. How old is your cat right now? Share in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to join the Animazing Paws family.